Understanding Pronouns. A comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: pronouns. Pronouns are an essential part of the English language, helping to make our sentences smoother and less repetitive. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is tailored for you. So, let's dive right in and understand what pronouns are and how to use them correctly. A pronoun is a word used to replace a noun or a noun phrase. It helps to avoid repetition and make sentences flow better. For example, instead of saying, "Maria is an excellent writer," "Maria writes every day," we can use a pronoun to make the sentence smoother. Maria is an excellent writer. She writes every day. In this case, she is the pronoun used to replace Maria. Pronouns come in different types, each serving a unique purpose. Let's go through them. 2.1 Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns represent specific people or things. They are divided into subject pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, they, and object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Subject pronouns act as the subject of the sentence, while object pronouns act as the object. 2.2 Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership. Examples include my, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, our, ours, their, theirs. Notice that some possessive pronouns change form depending on their position in a sentence. 2.3 Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. They end in self or selves: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. 2.4 Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns introduce relative clauses, helping to provide more information about a noun. Examples include who, whom, whose, which, and that. 2.5 Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to and identify nouns. They include this, that, these, and those. 2.6 Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns do not refer to a specific person or thing. Examples are all, another, any, anybody, anyone, anything, each, everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, nobody, none, one, other, several, some, somebody, someone, and something. 2.7 Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They include who, whom, whose, which, and what. 2.8 Reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are used to identify an action or feeling that is reciprocated. The two reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. It's crucial to use pronouns correctly to ensure clear communication. Here are some tips. Make sure the pronoun's antecedent, the noun it replaces, is clear. Be mindful of gender and number agreement between the pronoun and its antecedent. Avoid vague pronoun references. Pay attention to the cases of pronouns, especially the differences between subject and object pronouns. And there we have it. A comprehensive guide on pronouns and their usage in English. Remember, understanding and using pronouns correctly can significantly improve your English communication skills. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, Feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.